Ok, salutare tuturor! Bine ați venit la acest videoclip. Eu în acest videoclip o să vă prezint tipuri de colegi. Ok, stați așa puțin. 1. Cel bolnav. Tot ce s-ar putea să găsesc în aceste videoclipuri sunt făcute de acei youtuberi sau este o colaborare, nu dețin aceste videoclipuri și majoritatea o să fie în engleză.
Are you in the nurse's office?
I'm nauseous.
Oh, you're not feeling well? Maybe because you're too focused on your phone and not focusing up on your teacher.
Maybe you make me nauseous. Why are you
Oh,
here?
why am I here? I don't know. My mom told me to come down to the nurse's office this time. She didn't tell me why though.
Even your mom
Excuse me,
keeps secrets
nurse.
from you.
Why am I here?
Why is he
I'm
here?
getting a flu shot?
Ooh.
No, I most certainly am not. I do not take shots.
You guys have flu shots?
This
Will you
is
give me an ice
unbelievable.
pack for my
All right?
nausea?
I'm going to walk out that door right now, and we're going to never speak of this again.
You
All
done
right?
pissed off Linda.
Why do you lock the door?
Ooh.
No, you listen to me. I am not getting a flu shot, all right?
You're
Do you
giving me a
understand?
headache.
You are going to give me the keys to that door, and I'm going to walk out.
Just give me your
Look at
arm.
my
Come on.
arm. Look at
Come
my
on,
arm.
just do it, Linda. Give it to her. There you go. Oh, grow up. It's not that bad.
Stop laughing. This is not right. Just lay down. You'll regret that.
You want my ice pack?
2. Colegii care bârfesc. Din păcate n-am găsit niciun videoclip, așa că trecem la al treilea tip de colegi. Colegii care își bat joc de alții. Top 4. Inteligenți.
Spune, 5 plus 4, cât face?
5 plus 4. 5 plus 4.
Da.
9.
Bun. 9 minus 8.
9 minus 8. E nu știu.
Cât îi?
5.
Bravo. 4 plus 7.
4 plus 7.
Cât îi?
4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. 6 cici.
Bun. 2 ori 8.
2 euro. 2 euro.
Da.
28.
Bravo.
Da, tu da bravo și noi.
3 ori 5.
3 ori 5. Făcut Alin.
3 ori 5, da, cât îi?
98.
9 ori 9.
9, 100. 100 și
6 ori 7.
6 ori 7. 200.
1 ori 1.
0.
1 ori 0.
0.
1 ori 5.
Deja asta a fost cam lung, dar ăsta mai bine îl trec la colegul ăla prost. Ultimul care o să-l spun este ăla miștocăre, ăla care bagă miștocăreală și este cel mai tare din clasă.
Till I got out of class, used to stare at the clock. Before all this rap, I was
and doing half beats on the coffee. And I'm straight from the shop, but I ball like a king up in Cali and shoot like Stojakovic. Keep applying that pressure, I go on the run, it ain't no letting up, ain't no stopping this. But capitalize.
Cam asta a fost videoclipul. Sper că o să vă sper că vă place. Ah, șpa. Ok.